Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix servers not responding in Fortnite mobile. So if you are also getting this servers not responding problem in Fortnite mobile on Android devices, then here follow the fixes. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the Fortnite server status. You can go to the down detector website. I will provide this link in my video description. You can see it is mentioned user reports show possible problems with Fortnite. If you scroll down and see the graph, there are many users who has reported the problem related to server issues for Fortnite. So if you find that Fortnite server is down, under maintenance, or having any kind of server outage, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check. So you can keep an eye on down detector website or Fortnite status X web page to see if there are any updates related to server issues or not. And then later you can launch the Fortnite game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if their server status is online and if you are still getting the servers not responding error, then here follow some of the fixes that can help you to fix the problem. So the first fix is to simply restart your device. So just restart your device and then you can go ahead, launch the Fortnite mobile app and check if a problem is solved or not. Next solution is to switch internet connection. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then you can go ahead, launch the Fortnite mobile app and check. Next solution is to clear cache. So tap and hold Fortnite app icon, then click on app info, then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache, and then you can go back and launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then also tap on clear data. Now clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from the device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store such as VPN, Surfshark, Octohide, Proton VPN, BPass VPN, NordVPN, ExpressVPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then select different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then reinstall Fortnite app. So tap and hold the Fortnite app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm, and after uninstalling it, just restart your device once, and after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Fortnite game and then tap on Fortnite and then click on install button to reinstall it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then there is an alternative solution that mentioned in the Reddit website. So you can see this subreddit of Fortnite mobile. A user have posted that they are getting this server not responding error, and in the comment section you will see you need to wipe data on a smartphone, and they have replied, yeah, he needs a factory reset, after that the game will run. You can also see factory reset your phone, it fixed my issue. So this is a last option because factory resetting your device will delete all data including photos and videos. So I would recommend you to perform this action at last after backing up your important data from your device, and then you can go ahead, factory reset your phone and then reinstall the game or launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve servers not responding error in Fortnite mobile. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.